This is a Stay Visible update on the 28th of May, and I've got 3 points to tell you about today in a very quick video. First of all, the SISTRIX MCP server has been upgraded, and we have OAuth available for you now, which opens a couple of things. There's a changelog available for you if you want to grab that QR code, take a look at the details. But in summary, OAuth is now available as a authorization method, and we've opened it up to all levels of SISTRIX accounts with unlimited usage. There's instructions about how to get ChatGPT and Claude set up for you. For those of you that don't know what the MCP servers are, if you're using SISTRIX data, you can use your chatbot, your favorite chatbot. ChatGPT and Claude are the most usable of the chatbots right now. You can talk in natural language or type in natural language to Claude and get data out of SISTRIX, start adding formatting, adding external data sources as well. Let me see if I can give you a very quick live demo. I've been playing with this over the last couple of days. I've been pulling out data from some of my projects. For those of you that use SISTRIX, you'll know that projects allow you to put prompts or keywords together and to track the competitors over time, which is really useful for diving down into very specific sectors to see who's winning, getting best practice. So I've run here a bit of an analysis this morning on family holidays, the top 5 domains that are appearing for family holiday informational queries. I'm going to try another one now. Let's see. I was going to try and do audio on this, but of course the mic is blocked and I won't be able to get the audio through to Claude. But can you take a look at my e-bike informational project and show me the top 3 competitors for that project. Now, not guaranteeing this will work, but I've been using it over the last 48 hours and everything seems to be quite smooth. But of course, we're doing this live, so anything can happen. I am actually using free plan here on Claude. I haven't set anything up. We've got accounts in the company, but I haven't set myself up yet. The MCP server will give a standard interface to Claude, and this is an open standard. So actually, you'll find this across the industry being mentioned right now. Right, come on, let's get that domain history for those competitors in my project. I really shouldn't have done this live, should I? Maybe I should move on to the other 2 points I wanted to mention, because core update is going on right now. Let's come back to this and move quickly through to the core update. I'll come back to that project. Core update's been rolling out for a week now, and there are movements, but interestingly, not so much in the US. Let's see, have a look at some of the radars that are around. There's Holland, so you can see a big movement over the last week, compares well with recent ones. Looking at Italy, again, movements over the last week. Just to put my head there. Go to the UK, you can see massive movements in the UK compared to previous movements, but in the USA, not so much at the moment. I mean, there's a reasonable level of movement there, but it doesn't compare to some of the movements that have happened over the last 3 months. We've got a daily update post going on that. If you want to track, see some examples, some candidate domains, and then when everything's finished, I'll put the list of winning and losing domains up, grab that QR code and go to the post. The final thing I want to talk about, before we do that, subscribe. And also have a look at the newsletter as well. 2 newsletters a month, one from our founder, Johannes Boyce. Another one goes out from Jono Alderson, which is an excellent insight newsletter. Both worth having, especially our founders. Plug finished. Right, there's one more thing. Leaders in Women's Fashion, Visibility Leaders Project, which we prepped for Brighton SEO and Hive MCR this year. I've just come back from Manchester, and I wanted to highlight the fact that the video version of the presentation is now live for you on that QR code. There's some really interesting insights in there. We took a look at over 800 targeted keywords, and we started to analyze the directories, not just the domain, the directories that are really performing well. And directories relate nicely to, often to, mostly to SEO projects. So you can have a look at that, find out the blueprints for success across that sector watch. Let us see if our friend Claude has finished its work. There we go. Those are the top 3 domains for e-bike informational searches in the UK, straight up my project in SISTRIX. I'm glad that worked. Thanks for watching. Stay visible. Don't forget to subscribe or sign up for the newsletter. And I'll be back soon when there's more information. Take care.